Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Think Saudi for another amazing video. This one is again a villa tour in Medina, right, as it's most popular. So I want to show you some very good options for villas, and then in part 2 we're going to even have apartments in this master plan. Look at this gorgeous master plan community here. Green everywhere. You've got, a major commercial street that's running right through the middle, where you have, for example, you've got a spa, you've got a gym, you've got a mall, you got multiple shopping centers here in this region, right through the middle. So this is where Medina is really getting more and more advanced. They're preparing for the phase 2, which is Medina 2.0, essentially. We're already seeing that, for example, around Masjid Quba and, Masjid Qiblatain, and you're seeing some of that, transformation take place. So without further ado, let's get into the tour.
We have here the hotel, and here spa.
Wow.
And here the gym.
No way.
Gym of the spa.
Oh, that will be the gym, the big one?
No.
Oh, okay.
This is maybe mall.
Maybe mall. Oh, okay. And here will be
Here a hotel.
Hotel.
And here in the spa and gym.
Spa and gym. Yeah. Okay. Oh wow! Look at that. MashaAllah.
And here another mall.
Another mall. Okay,
Yes.
so there will be two. One is here, and another one is going to be here. And these are schools, or these?
We have here 5 schools for
MashaAllah.
the government.
MashaAllah.
And 1 school for the children.
For the children.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have here 7 mosques.
7 mosques, mashallah. In the 1, 2, 3.
This one
6,
is
7.
This one is the big mosque.
Big one.
For the Jum'ah and Eid.
Okay. And schools, and this is Hadiqa Park, mashallah.
And we have here in center is the hospital here.
Oh wow, there's a hospital.
From the government here.
Okay, right there.
All the treatment here is free.
It's free, mashallah. Here is how many villas, brother, approximately?
1,300 villa.
Wow.
And 230 apartment.
Oh, apartments also you have. Okay.
Apartment here.
Here, apartments.
All the apartment here.
Oh, okay. Like a villa, looks like a villa, an
Yeah.
apartment.
But the apartment is, the building is 3 floors.
3 floors, so small, good. This is good. Design is good like this, yeah. This is a good design, mashallah. Okay.
And all the apartment here, we have the mosque.
The mosque here.
Maybe from here to the mosque, maybe 5-6 minute walk.
That's amazing. You guys hear that? Every place has a mosque. Within 5 to 6 minutes, you can pray easily. You have the park.
And this
Yes,
is a
brother.
big mosque.
Oh, this is the main
From
one.
the Jum'ah and Eid.
Oh, yes. Mashallah. And there's a lot of parks. You have a lot of parks.
A lot.
It's good design.
Every block here is have the mosque and the school and the garden here.
And the gardens there. Wow, amazing. Okay, there's people living here already. Wow.
Right now,
Beautiful.
we are in the stage 3.
Stage 3.
Yep.
Okay, last stage now.
Maybe.
Maybe it's last, yeah, because they finished. Everything is finished here. Okay, you can see here.
Last way is the
Jadda.
but here. Last way.
Last way.
Yep.
What is that, Jadda?
For the hotel and spa.
Ah, okay. That's gonna be there.
Yep.
Okay. Before the mountain, before
Yep.
this.
Jeddah. After the Jeddah, we have villa and apartment here.
And there. But this.
In between the Jeddah and the villa, another villa.
But there is a mountain here.
No.
Ah.
It's far away.
Far away. Okay, there's space, yeah?
Yep.
Okay. So it's smart system.
Yep.
Bismillah.
All
salam.
the villa on all the customer here is having the smart system.
Smart home.
Yeah. And the door is very heavy.
Wow, this is very good door, yeah. This is steel door, okay.
We have here 4 locks.
Mm-hmm.
You can't control the home for the phone.
Wow.
And the code and the fingerprint.
Okay, amazing. Amazing.
We have here the exit one.
Okay.
Left here is the bathroom.
Bathroom. Oh, this is the bathroom, and wow, this is very nice. Very nice. Double sink. Okay.
We have here is salon for men.
Salon for men. Okay, so the main living area. Very
This
nice.
is the dining room for the man.
Wow, I like it. Nice furnishing, yeah. Okay. This is the family area.
Yeah, this is family salon.
Okay.
From this space, from here,
Uh-huh.
from here to
All the way.
the shutter here is
Okay.
9.9 meters and 10 meters.
10 meters. It's it's big. It's pretty big. Wow.
Maybe use the space here as a office.
This is very good. Like half open, yeah,
Yeah.
kind of. This come with the villa also like
Yep,
this?
yep.
Same. Okay.
All this. Some customer is not want this.
Ah,
Open.
Open.
facade.
Okay, yeah. Okay, you can remove this one if you
Yep.
want. Okay.
And all the villa here is the glass is six double
Six double. Ah,
of the glass.
six double. Okay. So
All the villa here like this.
like this same. And this is the guard. What do you call this? Mashatta.
House.
House. Yeah. The terrace area. House. Yeah. This is an Arabic house, the terrace area. Oh wow, we got the
The
entrance.
space here of the entrance maybe 14 meters.
14 meters, mashallah. Oh, okay, good. Nice space here.
This bathroom is surface the salon.
Salon, okay.
And this is the kitchen.
Ooh, look at the size of this kitchen.
The kitchen is the design is best design for the kitchen.
Very good. Look at this. So many cabinets.
We can contact you with the designer.
Yeah.
Give you like this.
Oh, perfect. Okay, this is extra. We can get this. Oh wow, look at that. So much space.
We are give you here in the design of the kitchen
Yeah.
and the furniture.
Right.
All that maybe you have discount 40%, 30%.
30% discount, 40%. Okay.
All the house is
Yeah.
the floor is Rohan. Rohan from Egypt.
This is the marble, yeah?
Yep.
Oh, Rohan, it's Arabic, Rohan, okay.
From Egypt.
From
but
Egypt.
the kitchen and the bathroom
Ceramic.
just ceramic.
Ceramic. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. This
Because the Rohan from Egypt, the Rohan space maybe 2 meter and 2 meter.
Yeah, they're big.
You can't put in the bathroom or the kitchen.
No, these are big, yeah. These are heavy.
And
Okay.
this is the controlling of the house.
Okay, perfect. Oh, it comes with the screen and
Yep.
everything. Okay. Where do we
We
start?
have here 4 bedrooms.
Okay.
2 the bedroom for the children.
Okay.
Okay, and the 2 bedroom the children and the salon is serve 1 bathroom.
And 1 bathroom. Okay, perfect. That's fine. So this is the children's bedroom, which is pretty big, and even has a lovely balcony. Wow, look at that. Amazing. This is the other room. Same thing.
From the furniture or the house furniture is very expensive here
Okay, good.
because from the Ashley.
Ashley, oh wow. Okay, yeah, I can see that. Very nice.
Maybe this room is cost maybe 37,000 riyals.
37,000 riyals. Okay, yeah, because it's a high
Very
end.
very expensive, but
Yeah.
the quality is
Is good, very
Yeah.
good. Okay.
And we have here 2 bedrooms in master.
Oh, okay. 2 masters, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
This is the big one. And the old design.
And the old
But
design.
right now, we all sell the new design.
It's all sold out, yeah?
No.
Oh, we still
maybe still have 12 and 13.
13. Okay, perfect. Okay, alhamdulillah. And this is the bathroom here. Oh, nice. I like that. Okay, the nice shower. Oh, this is the
roof. The space of the roof is 16 meters.
wow, very spacious. Good amount of space. We can cover. You said we can cover this, right?
Yep.
How much percent? 60?
75.
75% we can recover. Wow.
You come building here in 3 rooms.
Yeah. Here fully. Wow. And this is for the ACs and everything.
You come building here gym for you.
Upstairs. Oh, here, right? Yeah, here. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. 70%. It's very big. Oh, even.
And this area,
Oh, wow.
we took this area for cooking.
Yeah.
Barbecue.
Barbecuing. You got the water here. Thank you, brother. That was an amazing tour. Amazing.
From, last 2 years, this unit is the price of this unit is 999.
999. Oh, now, yeah. From the last 2 years.
Yep.
Okay.
But right now is 900.
Make the offer, special
Yeah.
offer, right? Okay.
Because we have maybe 12 unit and 13
Left.
unit.
Okay,
Yeah.
they just want to sell it
Yeah.
now and finish it
Yeah.
off. Okay, makes sense. Shukran, brother. Thank you so much for the tour.
Habibi.
Hayakallah.